Hello everyone, I wanted to show you something here. It's nothing magical, but in this little box right here is probably going to save me $5 or $6. And what's inside of here? This is how coffee beans look before your store or somebody has a chance to get to them. This is 5 pounds of raw or green Colombian beans. These are not roasted, and they come from Strong Tower Coffee. Ordered them right off of Amazon. I recommend that you guys go ahead and do this. If you drink coffee, first of all, I only drink ground or my own ground coffee. I don't buy ground coffee. I grind it up myself. It tastes a million times better, and I found that it actually goes much further. Interesting enough, this was literally like, they sent this to me in a giant it's a 1-gallon Ziploc bag. So, I'm going to be roasting my own beans. I'm going to partition this off into 1-pound bags, and I'm going to run that through the vacuum sealer to try and preserve it as much as I can. Obviously, I will go through this in a couple of months. I do drink a reasonable amount of coffee, but like I said, I recommend that you start doing this. I think I paid $22 for this off of Amazon, and obviously the shipping's free with Prime. For those of you that hate Amazon, hey, get with the ways of the real world, or should I say the modern world. And if you buy a 2-pound bag, this is 5 pounds. If you buy a 2-pound bag of what is it, 8 o'clock coffee from Walmart, it's $18. So significant price savings in just roasting your own coffee. And I recommend that you all do it. All right, guys, I think that's about it. Until the next time, stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.